Today on Mabot Works, we'll be using the program Mabot IDE to learn how to make your Mabot move forward and backwards. Let's begin. To start, turn on the Mabot IDE application and the Mabot. Click on the play button and you will see this screen over here. On the left-hand bar, click on the motion button and drag the first command out and click to the start. Now basically what this command says is that wheel 1 will turn in a clockwise direction for a power of 30 for 1 second. On the top right hand corner, there are 3 buttons. Click on the first button to connect the Mabot. Click on the detected Mabot and go back. Now let's see what this does. By clicking on the bottom left hand button, now as you can see, the Mabot turned at a power of 30 for 1 second, but it did not go straight. Now the reason is Mabot has 2 wheels and we have only commanded 1 wheel to move. So click on the 1 and click on 2 wheels. Now you can see that one of the wheel is blinking. This is wheel 2. If you put your cursor on wheel 1, the other wheel is blinking. This is wheel 1. So now we have 2 wheels, both moving in a clockwise direction at a power of 30 for 1 second. Let's see what this does by clicking on the play button at the bottom right hand corner. Now we can see that once again, the Mabot turned around instead of moving straight. Now the reason for this is very simple. These 2 wheels of the Mabot, if you want the Mabot to move forward, it moves in this direction. Now if you turn the 2 wheels to face you, you can see that they are actually not moving in the same direction. One of the wheel is moving in a clockwise direction and the other wheel is moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So we'll have to program that as such. Now let's put the wheels back and now let's program that again. Now which wheel is supposed to move clockwise and which wheel is supposed to move anti-clockwise? Now we go back and look at which wheel is wheel 1 and which wheel is wheel 2. Now wheel 1 is this lighted wheel over here and wheel 2 is this lighted wheel over here. So if we want Mabot to move forward, wheel 2 should be moving in a clockwise direction and wheel 1 should be moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So let's set that. And let's test it. And there we have it. The Mabot moved forward. Now if we want the Mabot to move backwards, we just simply change the direction. So wheel 1 will change it to clockwise and wheel 2 to anti-clockwise, and let's download that program. And as you can see, the Mabot moved backwards. And that concludes our lesson for today. Please stay tuned to the next episode of Mabot Works to learn more about the Mabot.